It's Flip, and today I'm going to do a review of this super clean degreaser. Alright, so the company Super Clean sent me some of their products to try out, so I'm going to put them to the test on my lawnmower and on my grill. So I'm going to start with the lawnmower. First I'm going to blow off all the loose dirt and grass. Then I took off the discharge chute so I can get to the areas underneath. So for the lawnmower, I'm going to start with just a basic super clean degreaser. I'm just going to give the deck a good covering. The directions say to let it sit for 5 minutes after spraying it, but it also says to not wait too long to where it starts to dry. So I'm going to do this one side at a time. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the side that I sprayed so you can see it on the camera. And as you can see there, it gets off a pretty good amount of gunk with just a shop towel. Once I'd wiped it all dry, I went ahead and gave it a few more sprays and gave it another wipe down. Then I flipped it around and sprayed the other side. And then wiped it down. A few more sprays. And some more wiping it down. Then I gave it a good rinse off. And then I put the discharge chute back on. And then one last little rinse. Alright, that did a pretty good job getting the grease and gunk off. I could get a little cleaner with a pressure washer, but that wasn't the point here. The point was to see how the cleaner could do, just wiping it off with shop towels and giving it a rinse with the hose. So I'll put a link to the product under the video in the description if you want to check it out. Now let's see how it does on a grill. So here's a good before shot. As you can see, I got a decent amount of grease and gunk on this shelf. So for this test, I'm going to use the aerosol can. So you let it soak in for 5 minutes and then you wipe it off. Again, you don't want to wait too long to where it starts to dry. Wow. This really impressed me right here. I was kind of shocked that it came this clean with one wipe and not having to scrub it or anything. So again, here's the before. And here's the after. There was one little spot that needed hit a second time. But after that, it was pretty much spotless. So then I repeated the same thing with the front of the grill and the other side. So lastly, I tried the foaming spray on the actual grill grates. And just so you know, Super Clean can be diluted for gentler jobs, but for grills and lawnmowers, you use it at full strength. Finally, I gave it a good rinse when I was done. The foaming spray did a good job on the grates. Alright, that's it. Overall, I was pretty impressed with the product. It definitely makes cleaning up easier, and I would say of the 3 products I tested, my favorite was definitely the aerosol can. It just gives you a nice, easy, smooth foam without having to squeeze a trigger over and over again. So if you're shopping for a degreaser, hopefully watching these tests help you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.